Well, they say closed mouths don't get fed, so today we're going to be putting on this Anker screen protector for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And here's my phone right there. I have cracked my screen protector, so we're going to replace it with a new one. I have a really crazy job, so you know, I break this kinda frequently, but it's better to break this than to break this. So let's get you out of here. Let's get a new one installed. First, we got to clean this screen, because this screen is filthy. I never ever bring anything to open up these things. God damn it. Oh. Actually, yeah, let's just use this side. Craftsman screwdriver? Craftsman? You want to sponsor your boy? Trash. Over there. Alrighty, number one. Okay, the reason why I like this solution here of putting on a screen protector is because it's like hyper accurate and professional. As you can see on the inside here, you just put your phone down, you press it down, it actually shows you in here. Why am I even doing that when it just shows you in here? Bam. This is the reason why I like this thing. So let's clean the thing in here. Wet wipes, turn away, smudges off the screen. Let's do that right now. Microfiber, dust removal sticker. Yeah, and here are the wet wipes. All right, let's get that crust of dust off of here. Wet wipes. My favorite wet wipes to use. I think we've removed an adequate amount of dust. Boom. Do that like that. Then all we gotta do is pull this tab, allegedly. Boom, it did. Even I can do it.